Make money just by listening to music. We love side income or unexpected extra money. What is better than getting money by listening to music only? Yes, in this video, we will share with you the list of apps and websites that pay if you listen to music or give a review. This video will be entertaining and profitable at the same time, so let's start with how you can make money just by listening to music. We will start with the apps that pay you huge amounts if you download them and start hearing the music through them. Let's dig into the clue. Number 1. Current Rewards app. Through this app, you can potentially earn $600 per year. When you download this app, which is free and requires no registration fees, will provide you with curated radio stations. You have to select the station of your choice to listen to music. It contains hip-hop music from all over the country and gives you rewards in the form of gift cards. The more you listen, the more you have a chance of earning money. Well, for me, listening to music only might make me bored, no matter if it gives money. So this app takes care of the listener's interest. They added games and kept points if you completed levels. Similarly, they give you 15 points for watching ads. Once you hit the score of certain points, you can redeem it via PayPal, Amazon, Starbucks, and iTunes. Number 2. Nielsen Market Research app. Making money just by listening to music is possible through this app. Nielsen app is supportive in Android and iOS phones and available in the Google Play Store. Let me be clear here that this app will not restrict you to listen to their choice of music. Rather, this app gets access to your playlist after your permission and uses the bunch of songs you listen to more frequently. Nielsen makes this research campaign to analyze what kind of music people love the most and to know about your taste in music. They pay you $50 per year. Though it's not too much, but having $50 without doing anything is not a bad idea. Now discover the sites that pay us just for listening to music. Number 3. Sliceethically. When we listen to music, reviews come to our minds about the lyrics, background sounds, music, and instruments. When we hear in the YouTube playlist, we share our reviews, but these exceptionally reach the singer. This site, Sliceethically, allows us to share our reviews on their site and gives us $0.10 per review. Please note you cannot share random reviews. The response or review must be meaningful and productive. Once you get $10, you can claim your amount via PayPal. Yeah, music energizes us. Remember the binaural beats that make us peaceful. But in this case, continuous listening may bore you. So this site added a section on artist wardrobe and labels to engage the user. You can share your feedback there too to get paid. Number 4. Earnably. Earnably is a diversified website that gives users multiple options to get paid. Whether you listen to music, answer the survey, or listen to radio stations. For special points, Earnably gives tasks such as tuning into the specific program. Whenever you collect 225 points, you can redeem your $2 via Bitcoin, Amazon gift cards, or PayPal. Number 5. Cash 4 Minutes. Cash 4 Minutes gives you a certain number that you have to dial to listen to a particular radio station. They will pay you per minute, which is a small amount, but you can take benefits while jogging, moving, or just doing nothing. When the user gets enough cash, they can collect via bank transfer, Amazon gift card, PayPal, or Bitcoin. Number 5. Radio Earn. As the name indicated, you have to listen to radio broadcasts, and I think it is easier than listening to just music. Once you plan to earn money through Radio Earn, you need to make an account, and after logging in, listen to the streaming. This site will give you points per 15 minutes and pay you at the end of the month. Cash transfer is the same as the above listed websites. Number 6. Music Tray. For me, this is the best platform because it not only pays listeners, but it helps beginners to submit their songs or compose. If you're an amateur singer and want to boost your followers, you can upload your piece of art to this site with little fee, and in return, this site gives you followers with good reviews. For listeners, it pays 10 cents per song, and you can withdraw your cash only when you earn $20 through a PayPal account. Number 7. Hit Predictor. Last website on our list, but the most convincing one. Hit Predictor allows users to listen to the music of their choice and then give feedback. For every single review, you get 3 points, which will be replaced by $1. You can rate the artists also and get rewards in the form of Amazon gift cards. Viewers, I use Hit Predictor and the Current Rewards app for making passive income, and strongly suggest you log into these sites or apps to generate dollars. My next video will be based on how to make money from home online, so hit the subscribe button to get notified when it's uploaded. Also, like or comment to let us know which platform you chose to generate a passive income by listening music.